everyone. Thanks again for tuning in for another video where we talk about Forex trading using the Pocket Option Broker. This is the weekend edition. If you are new to the channel, subscribe, leave a comment, check out the ebooks if you need them for additional help. Let's get into it. So what are we going to be talking about today? Well, today most people might be trading in the OTC. That means over-the-counter trading. It's a little risky, so you always want to take some type of caution. So today I will be answering some questions, and then we will get into the 2-minute OTC strategy that you can use over the weekend and how it all works. The OTC markets typically open in the United States Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. I would suggest just putting a note on your computer, laptop, iPad, or whatever in your phone so you know if you plan on trading during the weekend so you can get your gains. Many of you may have thought to yourself, well, what strategy should I use? Use whatever strategy that you want. That's why I list various strategies so you can take advantage of them. You know what you're going to do for your trading session. And there are some people out there that say, I start with the 5-second strategy for about an hour or so. And then the next hour after that, I go to the 5-second strategy. So use whatever strategy that works for you and that you are comfortable with in reading the indicators and getting the confirmations. The ebook is simply what it shows. That's why in the last video, I specifically showed the double wick green when it's on a downtrend or when the price is sideways. That's it. So if you are a beginner and you kind of don't know where to begin, I'm telling you, if you're listening, that those setup 1-minute candles, 1-minute expiration time, you can win your trade. That's it. And again, if you're still confused on that, as you can see, I have links in the description where you can schedule a coaching call. Okay, for this 2-minute strategy, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using 2 moving averages. One is going to be 6. So let's go ahead and change that. Obviously, again, you can pick whatever color that you want. I'm going to pick white. And then we're going to select another one that's 14. And I'm going to pick pink. And yes, you probably have heard about this strategy before, and I think I've mentioned it. But for this one, we're going to be using the MACD. Now, the way that this works is when the moving average number 6 crosses up through the 14 moving average, you're going to be taking a call, and vice versa. When it's going down, you're going to be taking a put. Now, why do we use the MACD? We use the MACD because we're looking at the MACD indicator for the crossing of the lines. And it's almost like a pre-confirmation before you take your trade for 2 minutes. So once the lines cross on the MACD, it often gives you an early confirmation a couple candles ahead of time. Let's see how these trades play out. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you get my videos each and every day. Smash that like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.